would love to do Moulin Rouge.
Wow, nangarap pa talaga ng Moulin Rouge, di ba?
Role ni Nicole?
Huh?
Yung role ni Nicole?
Of course, sa team. I will love you. Or like, ano ba yung mga favorite ko? I also love My Fair Lady and The Phantom of the Opera.
Thanks. Kanina natanong sa'yo kung anong advice. Well, nasa posisyon ka na kasi na mag-mentor, 29 years na sa industry. Meron bang young celebrity that has caught your eye? At kung makakausap mo siya, pwede mo bang i-complete yung, ituloy mo lang yung pagiging blank?
Mga young celebrities ngayon.
Maybe from PBB or kahit sino.
Yeah. You want me to name the name?
Yes.
Ay, may naming of names. Sino ba yung mga young celebrities?
Ituloy mo lang yung...
I will probably tell sino yung mga young celebrities na nakaka-work. This year kasi halos wala ako masyado naka-work na young celebs. Please sa Showtime. Sino mga naka-work ka dun? I think, well, just because I saw Ralph De Leon earlier on Showtime, ituloy mo yung pagiging smart, eloquent, and kind. Kasi bumabati siya eh. So, diba? And he's very, like, ang galing niya magsalita na with this question kanina nagbuburado. And he's also part of Wise Peak, so.
Last question, anong personal or career advice ang binigay sa'yo ni Boss Vic that aged you?
Actually, it's, ang sinasabi lang nila sa akin, mabait ka. Lagi kang mabait. Which is, na ano pa naman, I practically grew up with Ninong Vic. Parang na siyang daddy ko. And the one thing he told my dad, sorry, I just remembered my dad. It's like, I'll never forget what he told my dad kasi I promise I'll make your daughter into a star. And my dad was eternally grateful to Boss Vic. So, sayang lang, we were gonna plan like I know Ninong Vic wanted to do a contract signing kasi we're gonna renew. Even if I don't need to renew with them kasi obviously my loyalty will always be with Diva. But it would have been a great reunion with Ninong Vic and my dad. But sadly, my dad passed away earlier this year. Yeah, sorry!
And I know kanina natandaan ko yung sagot mo na Boss Vic really went the extra mile when you said na kahit hindi ka pa nga marunong magtagalog,
Yes.
he would cast you just to open doors for you.
Yeah, yeah. And my dad, one of the three things my dad told me is that he kept his promise. And here I am, 29 years later, still here, and still a Viva baby.
Thanks,
Alright, fantastic. Okay, can we get some water for this?
No, okay.
Alright.
Ah.
Okay, ngayon naman, from My Movie World Entertainment, we have Bernard Santos.
Hi, Anne.
Hi!
So recently, di ba, you've been into international events, Fashion Week, and entertainment events, and you meet some Hollywood stars, Korean stars. Can you share some album moments with them? Encounter na hindi mo makakalimutan?
It's always the conversations that you have with them before and after you're actually working. You're always, for someone, like, especially like the actresses I got to interview for Disney, it was just like, they're also, you just realize they're just like one of us. Nakikipagchikahan lang sila. They appreciate na when you converse with them na parang normal. That's one thing I notice also. Like, if you keep it natural, they like that. So it's just so nice that, they're also very kind. So yeah, it's just having the conversations with them off cam.
And then kanina, may teaser na ako sino yung mga tatlong filmmakers na mga katrabaho mo. Sina Direk Irene, Direk Ruel, and Direk Mick Hilren. So dun sa tatlo, can you make, ano lang yung you look forward mo with collaborating with them?
Lahat, because each one has a different genre. Which is something that I'm super excited and inspired about. So, yeah, I'm so excited to magpapahinga lang ako ng 1 month and then let's go. Let's do this.
But individually ba, meron kang you look forward with the conversation or collaborating with them individually?
Yeah, of course with Direk Ruel Bayani, kasi last work namin is No Other Woman pa. So, ang ganda ng kanyang konsepto. I don't know if I'm allowed to say who's writing the script, pero ang ganda din ng magsusulat, ang aming manunulat. But it's a very Direk Ruel Bayani concept. So, nakaka-excite siya. It's not super camp, but it's, syempre may touch pa rin ng very konti. And with Direct Mick naman, you know, I haven't done a psycho thriller in a while, and when his script fell into my lap, sabi ko talaga, ay, tagal ko nang hindi ginawa to, so game, let's go out of my comfort zone and let's do this. And with Direct Irene naman, pinag-uusapan pa lang namin, ano next natin gagawin? So, kasama ko siya kagabi actually, so we're discussing kung ano kayang genre naman gagawin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. We are nearing the end of the list for now. Let's hear from Rose Garcia from Marites University.
Ayan na, good evening, Ann. Yeah, hello. Ang una kong tanong, how do you feel? Kasi alam mo nakaka-enjoy ka kapag nanonood kami nagti-TikTok kami, lumalabas yung mga parang bloopers mo or yung mga, anong feeling mo na because of that, ang dami din napapasaya?
It brings me so much happiness. And you know, knowing that I'm able to make someone smile, someone laugh, it brings me so much happiness. Minsan dahil sa pagkalutang ko na nakaka-happy yung mga tao. So, okay lang, to more lutang moments.
Oo nga, okay. Then, nakita namin yung support mo kay Jasmine.
Yes.
Especially recently yung sa Stars on the Floor.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Ayan. So, kumusta? Yung kumbaga, yung sisterhood ninyong dalawa?
So good. Of course, she's always gonna be my baby. Kahit hindi na siya baby ko pa rin yan. Diba? Kahit rest day ang Sunday, hindi. Punta tayo ng GMA to support sa, diba, laban. I'll always be her #1 supporter talaga. As an ate.
Okay. And palagi ka natatanong about Dahlia, of course. But you and R1 has been together for how many years na nga? Since mag-jowa pa lang kayo.
Kung magjowa pa lang, more 15 na yata.
Grabe,
Oo,
diba?
mga ganun na yan. Oo.
So yung 15 years na yon, kumusta na yung dynamic nyo ngayon as a couple and at the same time as a parents?
We're so chill. Alam kong nag-trending siya recently dun sa video niya, di ba? Ganun siya ka-chill. And I need a chill person to my crazy. So I think kaya kami nagko-complement kasi sobrang magkaiba kami. So it works.
Nag-aaway pa ba kayo? May mga ganun pa ba? Di ba sa
Hindi
couple?
kami nag-aaway ng away talaga. Pero syempre yung inisan, normal yun. Diba? Yung socks mo, isuli mo sa laundry basket. Diba? Yung mga ganyan lang. It's really mga silly things and it's very normal in any relationship.
Pero yung couple time na, nagagawa niyo pa rin yun. I mean, paano?
Oo, pag nag-date night naman kami, kaya naman.
Kaya naman yun. And my last question,